Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing a gel and a mousse wash and go. If you're interested in that video, then please keep watching. So basically it's not, it's a gel, but it's the Doux B-Girl Collection Honey Curl, Supercharged Honey Curl Custard that I have not done a review on my channel yet. And then I'm going to pair that with the Sea Moss Collection, the Curl Sea Moss Collection Nourish and Shine Sea Moss Foam. And so let's see if this combo hits. Let's see. So I've already freshly washed my hair and deep conditioned. I actually just braided it up, and so looking like Pippi Longstocking. But I'm gonna come back after I separate or section my hair. So it's damp now, freshly washed and deep conditioned, but yeah, so this is my hair. Be back. So I've sectioned my hair. I might make it smaller, but I have my aloe juice, which I always use, especially if I don't already have my hair soaking wet. So yeah, I can't even remember if my hair needs to be soaking wet. But we'll try. So I'm using the Tangle Teaser. My hair is already detangled from the deep conditioning, but I just wanted to do a little more because that's how you get the perfect wash and go, or like the foundation of the perfect wash and go. And then yeah, I'm just gonna go right in with this right here, and it's so sticky. The top sticks onto it, so that's another thing. My goodness. Okay. So this is how much, and I'll probably use the entire container today. A little goes a long way with this. Again, this is the consistency, very sticky, and I want to use less than I've used in the past because it's a very hard hold. So I'm not gonna like overly saturate my hair. I'm just gonna give it like some type of foundation. I'm gonna also use my Tangle Teaser, not Tangle Teaser, my Dim Dim brush to kind of get the product all through, so I won't, waste product. And so this is it, and I think that this is a good foundation because it's so hard of a hold, and I didn't put a ton, and then for the product to actually like last on my hair. And then I'm gonna top it with this, so hopefully this will be, and I'm gonna do 2 pumps a section. And my sections will probably be smaller than this. For sure. And I may use more of this mousse just so I can get the results that I want. So I think that it's gonna turn out pretty good. I don't know. It's probably gonna be a fluffy definitely a fluffy wash and go. Definitely a fluffy wash and go. But I'm not gonna skimp on the foam because I have a lot of it. And that makes my hair like dry a little bit better. I don't know, these ends are straggly. So I'm just gonna try to tame them this way. So yeah, I think it's good. You know, I feel like it's going to definitely be a fluffy situation. So I'm going to complete this side of my head and then I'm going to come back so you can just see how it looks. And yeah, be back. Hi guys, so I'm back and my hair looks pretty good. It looks like it will, ooh, it looks like it's going to be fluffy, like really fluffy. I'm just interested to see how long it'll last, as well as if it will be like a hard, like crunchy hold. I don't know why I feel like there are a lot of like problem pieces, but again, I just need a haircut. That's the main thing. But yeah, first impression, I like it. I really like it. I'm still, you know, not even done with this. I'll be able to use the rest of it on the rest of my hair, so I'm just gonna finish my hair and come back. But first impression, I like the combo together. I don't think that it will flake or anything. I've also put this custard on, then the mousse, then actually a little bit more of the custard. So just layering, I don't know, just to get rid of some more of the frizz. So yeah, there's that. And then just spot checking curls to define them, because this is kind of like the foundation of my hair. If I don't set the foundation, it's gonna look a mess for the week. So anyway, I'm gonna complete the rest of my hair and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see like how I truly feel. Also, I'm going to sit under the dryer and show you like the final result, so just stay tuned. Also, if you have not already, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Do you like this content? Have you ever tried a gel with a mousse before? Like, I am just trying to use my products, so I would do a leave-in and a mousse because I have a leave-in mousse combo type playlist that you can check out. I may add these types of videos in that leave-in and mousse playlist. Anyway, I think it's good. I think it's good. Be back. Hi guys, so this is my hair. And I am about to go under the dryer. So I think that it looks good, so stay tuned for the dryer results. Hi guys, so this is my hair. It is definitely hard, and it's not really moving. Like it's so stiff. So I don't know. I may just go ahead and try to break the cast with a blow dryer. My hair is a little bit damp in the back, and it's not too stiff. I think this side is more stiff. It's just like, I don't know. It just, this is not moving, you see? So I'm going to take my blow dryer. I'm gonna get some oil and kind of like break the cast. So be back. Okay, so I have this oil. This is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Castor Grapeseed Argan Coconut and Olive Strengthen and Protect 5 essential oils with vitamin E. I love this oil. My aunt gave this to me, or bought this years and years ago. So I'm just going to put some on my hands and just kind of scrunch out. That did it, actually. I might not even need to blow dry it. I'm gonna put another dime size amount in my hand and go over here. Yeah, because when I do this, it even feels better. Just that feels wonderful, actually. So yeah, and then I guess I'm going to all of the I think that's it. I might do another dime size. So I'm not gonna use my blow dryer. I'm just going to, that's just breaking the cast, and that worked. That definitely worked. I never put a lot of oil on my hair, so I didn't know, you know, I always hear about it. But yeah, I think that this looks good. I think that, let's see here. I guess I'll use this. I used a bigger one the last time, but I think, I don't know. So this is my hair, and I'm just going to tie it up. So it's fine. It just needed a minute. I don't know if I should pineapple it. Probably so, because the ends, I mean the underneath is, it's a little damp. So maybe like, my hair is 95% dry. But yeah, so this is the hair. And it's a little wet right here. So yeah, so if you like this video, please, again, like, comment, share, subscribe. I see the newbies. I see you. I see my oldie but goodies too. Thank you so much for being here and rocking with me and looking at my hair. It looks great, right? It looks great. Also, I'm going to be doing 5 days in my wash and go. So if you're interested in that content, please click the like button, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of that video. But yeah, so day 1, it is 2028. So what time is that? 8:28 p.m. Yeah, it will probably get fluffier. If it's this fluffy, it's gonna be fluffy. So anyway, thank you so much for watching.